I've had this recipe written down for about 2 years. I have no idea why I haven't done it yet. It's so easy and it's so delicious. Oh, my whole body went tense then. Do you ever get that? With food, where food just, oh my God, the energy. Let's make Filo wrapped baked feta with honey. Oh!
So you're going to take some Filo pastry, shop bought, and you're going to layer up 4 sheets with butter in between. This is enough for 2 blocks of feta, and I tell you, you're going to need that because it's so addictive. Simply tuck it in with a nice bit of butter in between to seal all those seams. And then this goes onto a baking tray. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until the Filo is golden brown and crispy. Once it's removed, pour on some honey straight away and sprinkle over some fresh thyme leaves.
I don't even know how to talk about it. It's so good. It's so easy and it's so good. And there's so much energy right now.